How to temporarily deactivate your Messenger account in 2021. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started. Now what you want to do is click on your profile picture at the top left corner, and here you want to scroll down till you see account settings. You want to click on there, and here in the account settings you want to scroll all the way down till you see your Facebook information. Here you can see account ownership and control. You want to click on there. And in the middle of these three settings, you can see deactivation and deletion. You want to click on there, and here you can deactivate your account. So you want to select the top one and click on continue to account deactivation. And here you have to fill in your password. And once you've done that, you can select for what time. So you can select how many days, but you can also select no days at all, so that you can choose for yourself when to reactivate it, and then you can just deactivate it just like that. And oh, by the way, if you want to reactivate it, you simply just have to log into your account. So that's kind of it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.